What can happen when you gain 10 pounds? Subscribe now, like, and share this video. When you gain 10 pounds, your body starts to experience some significant changes, including alterations to your DNA. Dietary patterns can affect your brain chemistry, which means that you can experience depression and anxiety. You might also notice that your perception of taste has been affected and foods seem blander to you. Before I get started, make sure you turn bell notifications on so you can get the latest content. 1. Food tastes blander. While it's tempting to blame a little weight gain on loving the taste of food too much, it might not be true. In fact, it appears to be exactly the opposite. Inflammation from gaining weight reduces our taste receptors by 25%, according to a new study. 2. Leaving the house suddenly feels terrifying. It turns out that gaining a bit of weight can increase anxiety levels. 3. Migraines start appearing like clockwork. Suffering from migraines like never before? It could be due to your weight gain. Over 20 years of research has shown that going from normal weight to overweight significantly raises your risk of getting these splitting headaches, and people who are obese are more likely to suffer from chronic migraines. 4. Men store fat in areas they don't want. Gynecomastia, as the condition is called, is triggered by estrogen levels that are too high or are out of balance with testosterone levels. If you have not already, make sure to like this video so I know the content that I provide you provides you value. 5. Serious stomach pain sidelines you. Suddenly feeling sharp, stabbing pains in your back or upper abdomen. It could be gallstones, and gaining weight significantly increases your risk of getting the painful condition and the severity. 6. You're super bummed out and nothing cheers you up. Obese people have a higher risk of developing depression over time compared with people of normal weight. 7. You have trouble conceiving. One of the most heartbreaking consequences of weight gain is an increased risk of infertility, in both men and women. 8. Your leg muscles are sore and you didn't hit the gym. Unexplained muscle soreness, weakness, and fatigue are signs of a vitamin D deficiency. What does a vitamin have to do with your weight? Leave a comment below this video if you have any questions so I can reach out to you and help you out. Overweight people are more likely to be deficient in this important nutrient. 9. Painful burps after dinner become the norm. Heartburn is the worst. The fiery chest and throat pain can seriously take the fun out of eating a delicious meal. 10. Your DNA changes. It's long been thought that some genes may cause weight gain, but the opposite can also be true, that weight gain changes your genes. Gaining weight has the power to change your body on its most basic level, by altering gene expression in your DNA. 11. Using the washroom 3 times a night becomes the new normal. Midnight trips are a punchline for many jokes about aging, but if you're consistently having to use the washroom during the night, it's no laughing matter, as it can be an early warning sign of chronic kidney disease and failure. 12. Online shopping or gambling are eating up your savings. A 10% weight gain is enough to change your brain in significant ways, and that can alter your personality. People who gained weight scored much higher on impulsivity and were less likely to resist temptations of all kinds. However, if you want to learn how to lose the weight you gained, click the link in the description. And make sure to subscribe now, like this video, and share this video to your friends and family so everyone can get informed of this valuable information.